I have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz S450. I'm going to reset the service A3 overdue by 110 days. So what you need to do is ensure that the doors and the hood is closed. Then use the engine start button, press it once. So the airbag light will pop up right over there. And your screen should look like that. Ensure that this is in miles. This is the trip option. So ensure that the screen is exactly like that. And then you're gonna use these buttons. The back button with the home button and the scroll button to activate the workshop mode. So you're going to go ahead and press this. And release the scroll button. Press it again, and then there you go. It activated the workshop mode. Scroll down to assist plus. Then switch the ignition one more time. Your screen should look like that with the check engine light and all that stuff. So you're going to X off the that and scroll down to full service. Once you're in this menu, service year 3, confirm service, select your oil grade, anyone, service carried out, and then you confirm service. So let's turn off the vehicle now and then start it and see if we got that service overdue notification still. Alright, so there's no notification, we're all set. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you to reset your service due, please subscribe to my channel just to keep me motivated to continue making videos. Thank you.